Welcome to day 40 of Learn to Lead in 100 Days. Today we will have a consolidated review on our learning. On day 31, we learnt about how to create the first impression and how long will it take to create the first impression. I also taught you how crucial it is to create the best first impression. Day 32, we learnt about how to grow relationship healthy and stronger. End of the day, a peaceful home will help you to work in a better way. Day 33, we learnt about the negative effects of social media, followed by day 34, I told you the ways how to quit the social media or limit your usage. Day 35, we learnt about how to forgive and I told you why we have to get into the habit of forgiving. Carrying a physical weight and mental weight has its equal effects. Day 36, we learnt about how to handle compliments. When you achieve a lot and you are in limelight, I told you the ways how to prepare yourself to handle the compliments and return the compliments. Day 37, we learnt about anger and how to handle or the steps to avoid the angry situations. Day 38, we learnt about how to avoid expectations and stop getting disappointed. Day 39 is about how to overcome laziness. If you have learnt all these wonderful topics, pat yourself because these are very essential life skills that are needed for your day in and day out of life. With this, let me give you another piece of information. Rome wasn't built in a day. This is a very famous idiom that is used to state that great things will take a longer time. Nothing comes easy. There has to be a lot of time dedication and commitment towards your work. So to be successful, you need to work hard and learn continually. Hope this helps. Follow me for the next days. Learn to Lead in 100 Days. I'm your coach, Rosie Ainkutti. Many dreams can be achieved when you cultivate the habit of learning. I'm on a learning challenge for 100 days under a title, Learn to Lead in 100 Days, where I will be sharing my knowledge for free. Subscribe to my channel to start your learning journey.